Hello, my name is Kyle and I'm a technician at GNR Camping World. And this is my tech pick. I like this trailer because it basically comes fully loaded already. It has an electric jack system at the front for lifting the trailer up. It has 2 propane tanks, 2 battery boxes, solar panels to charge those batteries, and an inverter to run all of your outlets through the batteries as well. I also like this trailer because it comes with a bike rack to allow me to store my bikes as efficiently as possible. This trailer also comes with a Winterizing Bypass Kit, which most trailers don't have, and also a water Maizing system, which allows me to heat up the water before using it, allowing me to save water in the freshwater tanks. This trailer also comes with a Hideaway Bed, which allows me to use the sofa either as a entertainment section or bring the sofa down, which will allow me to bring the master bed down for a good night's sleep. By having a Hideaway Bed, it also gives me storage for anything else I may need to bring on my trip. This is also my tech pick because it does have a Wi-Fi booster, which allows me to use my laptops, iPads, and iPhone as efficiently as possible. So come on out to GNR Camping World, 1370 Dugald Road to check it out for yourself.